We had so much of our love and not just equipment, but our heartfelt concerns for what we had built this practice into, where it was a safe haven for pets and pet owners. My name is Bob Cohen. I'm a veterinarian at Bay Street Animal Hospital on Staten Island. I think all of us were very overwhelmed by what really happened when Sandy met us. We were not prepared to have 30 inches of water throughout our practice because we just can't leave our patients behind. On Monday afternoon, when the weather really was horrible, we decided that we had to leave, and we took every one of the patients here to the homes of doctors and technicians that lived on higher ground. So after we evacuated all of the pets, we were not able to come back to the practice for 3 days. We had no electricity, and the water had to recede. We came back to 6 inches of sewage inside the building. We sustained approximately $750,000 in losses. During the day, we worked in the dark to just clean up this place because we had to get these very ill animals back to the hospital. The day after we came back, we had cleaned up enough of the practice that we could take the dogs and cats that were evacuated back here, and we were open to the public immediately. The most vivid memory I have of Sandy is how the community of Staten Island reached out and helped and answered our need, and how each Staten Islander supported each other, which is so typical of Staten Island.